Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. I hope all of you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear student, I am Muhammad Shahjahan, Assistant Professor, Department of Accounting, Milestone College, Uttara, Dhaka.
Dear student, today we will discuss chapter 4 and all of you know that this is share issue. That means how we will issue share. This chapter we will learn that, and last class all of you know that we discuss about the formula of share issue. That means how you can issue share. This class practically in a math we will apply that formulas. Okay, at first we will give journal entries for issuing share, then we will prepare a ledger account, then we will prepare financial statement. Let's see an example. Dear student, we are taking example from Gibran Company Limited, which one is registered with an authorized capital. That means the authorized capital of this company is taka 8 lakh and divided into 8,000 share of taka 100 each. The company issued its 5,000 share at the rate of 10%, at the rate of 10% premium, at the rate of 10% premium. That means value of each share is 100 taka and they issued each share at the rate of 10% premium. That means taka 10 more, taka 10 more, and that means total amount we will receive at 110 for each share. And application for 6,000 share were received. Dear student, keep it in mind, 5,000 share is our application money, total amount of issued share. Now we have received 6,000, application for 6,000, that means 1,000 more. And look at the information, out of which 5,000 share are allotted. That means excess application of 1,000 money are refunded to the applicant concerned. Company paid by check 20,000 for issuing expense, issuing share, and 15,000 for underwriter commission. These are the maths. Dear student, we have to prepare journal entries. If you can remember, for journal we have 5 column: date, account title, LF, debit taka, credit taka. And dear student, if you can remember, last class we have given some fixed journal for each transaction. You know that we can issue share at premium, at par, and at a discount. Dear student, in this math it is at premium, that means 10% premium we issued, so we have to give journal entries at premium, and journal is our, for this math, is fixed. At first, which was the first journal? For receiving application money, bank account debit, share application credit. You know that for receiving application money, journal is bank account debit, share application credit. Then you have to allot the application money to concerned shareholder. That journal is share application debit, share capital credit, share premium credit. If it is in premium, you know that if it is with discount, that time share application debit, share discount debit, and share capital credit. If it is at par, share application account debit and share capital account credit. Here we have premium math, so share application account debit and share capital account credit and share premium account also will be credit. And our third journal is share application debit, bank account credit. This journal is for returning extra application money, returning extra application money. And last journal we have to make expense account, share issue expenses debit, underwriter commission. This is also an expenses, that account debit, and bank account credit. These are the 4 fixed journal for these types of math. If there is no expenses, that time fourth journal will be omitted. If there is no extra application, that time third journal will be omitted. That means we will not give this journal, but first journal and second journal is fixed. That means at first you have to receive application money. Now come to this math. At first you have to receive application money. Look at the question, how much application money we have received. Look at here, application for 6,000. This is the first transaction, application for 6,000 are received in all. That means, dear student, we receive application for 6,000 share. We receive application for how many share? We receive application for 6,000 share. Dear student, we receive application for 6,000, and you know that the value of each share is how much? 110, because 100 taka is face value of each share and it is premium. That means we will take some extra money, 10%. 100 10% is 110, so therefore we will receive 110. Take your calculator, then we can find out the amount. Share bank account debit, because you receive money, and share application credit, bank 6,60,000 and share application also 6,60,000. How 6,60,000? Look at 6,000 into 110, then amount will be 6,60,000. Dear student, our second journal is allotted the application money. Dear student, you know that we receive application for 6,000, but how much we have issued? look at, we have issued 5,000. That means we cannot sell more than 5,000. We cannot sell more than 5,000 because we can issue share by the approval of joint stock registered office. That means we get permission for selling 5,000 share. We cannot sell 6,000 share, though we did receive application more. Dear student, for 5,000 share we have to give capital. That means 5 out of 6,000, 5,000 shareholder will receive the capital. Share application account debit, that means earlier share application account or credit. When you receive money, now you distribute the application money. Share application account debit, the application account will be cancelled by 5,50,000 because 5,000 share into 110 you receive. Now how you cancel? By giving capital. That means you give capital 5,000 into 100. 5,000 into 100, that means 5 lakh taka, and premium receive. You receive premium in each share taka 10. 5,000 into 10, that means 50,000 taka. That means this journal is for allotment. Look at the reason: to record share allotted to the share applicant. That means we distributed the share to the concerned shareholder. How much share? 5,000 share. That means we receive application for 6,000, we distributed 5,000. That means we have extra 1,000. That money we have to return back. That's why if earlier when you receive money, that time bank account debit. Now you return money, so bank account credit. Share application debit, bank account credit. Share application debit, bank account credit. So dear student, how much? 5,000 into 110. 5,000 into 110, that means 1,000 into 110, because we return 1,000. 1,000 into 110 equals to 1,10,000, equals to 1,10,000. And our last journal is share issue expenses. It is debit. You know that underwriter commission, that is also another expenses, that also be debit. So both expenses will be debit and bank account credit. Look at expense account 20,000 and 15,000 and 35,000. Look at where it is. It is here. Look at company paid by check 20,000 for issuing share and 15,000 for underwriter commission. That means these two expenses account will be debited and bank account will be credited. This is the journal. Now bank account. Dear student, all of you know that how to prepare ledger. This class will not discuss about in details ledger, because in first paper, in first year, you have learned a lot about ledger. In 19 also you have learned a lot of ledger. You know that when you open a bank account, you have to write the opposite of bank account. You have to write the opposite of bank account. Look at here. Here bank account, opposite account, share application account. Here we have bank account, opposite account, share application account. Here we have bank account, opposite account, two expenses, share issue expenses and underwriter commission. So share application, share issue expenses and underwriter account commission account. That means you have to write the opposite account. The money for application 6,60,000 you have received. In balance you have 6,60,000. Out of that 1,10,000 you have returned. So now you have 5,50,000. For issue expenses you give 20,000. Now you have 5,30,000. And for commission you have given 15,000. Now you have 5,15,000. That means, dear student, you have balance 5,15,000. Now we have to prepare financial position. Another important one, this one will come for 4 marks. Gibran Company Limited statement of financial position. Dear student, all of you know that in financial position we will write asset and liabilities and capital. Asset and liabilities and capital. And all of you know that total asset will be equals to liabilities and capital. Dear student, look at whatever asset we have. Total math. By seeing total math, we have only bank balance. Number one asset, that is 5,15,000. 5,15,000 is our asset. There is no other asset. All of you know that no furniture here, no building here, no machinery here. We have only bank balance 5,15,000. This is our number one asset. And dear student, look at two fictitious asset. If you can see the journal, two fictitious asset we have: underwriter commission and share issue expenses. That means this is not actually asset for temporary, because yet not we prepared income statement. That's why for temporarily we will show it in the balance sheet, in the financial position. So share issue expenses 20,000 and underwriter commission 15,000. 35,000 taka is our expense not yet expired, or we can say that it is fictitious asset. Therefore total of asset side is 5,50,000. Now we have to see the capital and liabilities. How much capital and liabilities I have? Dear student, share capital. At first you have to write authorized capital. This is the format. According to Company Act, we have to write at first authorized capital. Look at, see the question. How much authorized capital we have? Authorized capital of taka 8,000. Authorized capital of taka 8,000. 8,08,000 share at the rate of 100 each. That means we have 8 lakh taka authorized capital. Look at, we have written here authorized capital is 8 lakh. 8,000 share at the rate of taka 100 each. It is 8 lakh taka. And next one is issued and subscribed capital. If you can remember, we have issued 5,000 share. We have issued 5,000 share. Therefore issued and subscribed capital is 5 lakh taka. 5,000 into 100, it is 5 lakh taka. No premium will be here, dear student. Keep it in mind. When you receive money, you receive 110, but you are giving at 100 because face value is 100. You cannot give more than 100. Then last one, paid up capital. 5,000 share. We have shareholder paid the money. 5,000 share into 100, it is 5 lakh taka. And we have reserve and surplus account. We have reserve and surplus account. How much? We have share premium 50,000 share. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.